Mini bike delivery for Kansas Garage.
So it's got a jing dong. You ever heard of that?
Never had a jing dong engine before.
Yeah, I've never had a jing dong either. About the right size?
Yeah. There you go, Capitan.
About to put the fender on. I'm about to get a bottle of water. You want one?
I just drank one earlier. I'll take like a. If you bring me a lemon lime Gatorade and a glass of ice, it'd be freaking legit.
Alright, I'll try to be freaking legit. So far everything was in the package. Just seemed to be missing 2 bolts for the handlebars, but no big deal. Good thing we live 5 minutes from Lowe's.
Hey, don't be giving out our location now.
This bike just looks sick, man. It's way better than the Baja 200. Nice. Hey, put it back. Show them that. Wait, put it back real quick. Good old cafe racer style. Alright, I guess you can just put it normal until we can get some ape hangers. Well, it turns out there's no bolts in our garage that'll work.
No, we had one.
Oh, well, we had one. We had that one right there. But
it's the right thread, it's just too long, so I'm about to make it not too long.
What do you call that?
This right here is what you call wheelie mode.
No.
Chance, why don't you want to run any of that oil in here?
Because it's from China.
You don't want to run that Chinese oil in that ching-a-ling-a-ding-dong motor?
Jiangdong.
Jiangdong?
Jiangsu Engine Company. Jiangsu Jianghua Engine Company.
Nice. Oh yeah, man. Shocks actually look like they're doing something.
Feels pretty stiff with me on it. Stiffer than I was expecting. Brakes work good too.
This vehicle is an all-terrain vehicle and is not intended for use on public roads and highways. Definitely don't need that on there.